Hello guys, hello dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. I miss you so much. Okay, for today we have a new topic. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Our today's topic is this, these, that, this. First of all, I want to talk about this is and these are. This and these are demonstrative. We use this and these to talk about people and things that are near us. We use this and these to talk about people and things that are near us. Emma this و these بکارهێنین بۆ باسکردنی ئەو کەسانەی یان ئەو شتانەی کە لە ئێمەوە نزیکن. Okay, look. This means Emma. This means Emma. We use this to talk about only one thing. We use this to talk about only one thing. For example, this is my ball. This is my marker. This is my scissor. So we have to use is with this because it is singular. This is singular, okay? Now let's talk about these. These means amana. These means amana. For example, these are my balls. These are my balls. These are my markers. These are my markers. So we have to use are with these because these is plural. This is plural. So we have to use are with these. When we want to talk about more than one pupil or one thing, we have to use these. Okay? We have to use these to talk about more than one pupil or thing. Now I want to give you some more examples. This is my ball. This is my ball. These are my balls. This is my ball. These are my balls. This is my scissor. These are my scissors. This is my scissor. These are my scissors. Look at that pencil sharpeners. This is my pencil sharpener. These are my pencil sharpeners. This is my pencil sharpener. These are my pencil sharpeners. Okay. This is my marker. These are my markers. These are my markers. This is my marker and these are my markers. Now, can you differentiate between this and this? Yes, of course. We use this to talk about only one thing. We use these to talk about more than one thing. I mean 2, 3, 4 and more. Okay, dears? Did you get it? Now I want to talk about that and those. That and those are demonstrative. We use that and those to talk about people and things that are far from us. We use that and those to talk about people and things that are far from us. That and those بکارهێنین بۆ باسکردنی ئەو شتانەی کە لە ئێمەوە دوورن. Okay, now let's talk about that. That means awa. That wata awa. Look at here. That's my ball. That's my ball. It's far from me. I can't touch it. That's my ball. That's my pencil sharpener. That's my pencil sharpener. That's my scissor. That's my scissor. Okay. We use that to talk about only one thing. We use that to talk about only one thing. We use is with that because that is singular. That is singular. Now let's talk about those. Those means awana. Those means awana. Look, those are my balls. Those are my balls. The balls are far from me. I can't touch them. Those are my balls. are my pencil sharpeners. Those are my pencil sharpeners. Those are my scissors. Those are my scissors. We use are with those because those is plural. Those is plural. We use those to talk about more than one thing. For example, those are my balls. We use those to talk about more than one thing. I mean 2, 3, 4 and more. Now, can you differentiate between that and those? Okay, look at here. I'm going to give you some examples. Look, that's my ball. That's my ball. Those are my balls. That's my scissor. That's my scissor. Those are my scissors. That's my pencil sharpener. Those are my pencil sharpeners. Did you get it? Excellent. Now, dear students, open your grammar book, page number 8. We have some exercises about this, these, those, and that. We have to do them together. Now, the first one, match. The first one, match. Okay, look at here. We have this is and these are. We have to match this is and these are to these pictures. Okay? The first one was done. A chair. A chair, we mean only one chair. Look at here, we have only one chair. That's why we have to say this is a chair. This is a chair. Okay. Now let's go to this picture. Pictures. We have some pictures. It is more than one. That is why we have to match the pictures to these are. These are pictures. These are pictures. Okay. Another one. A poster. We have only one poster. So we have to match a poster to this is. We have to match a poster to this is. This is a poster. We have only one poster. Look at this one, drawers. Drawers. Drawers is plural. That is why we have to match drawers to these are. These are drawers. These are drawers. Okay, now let's go to the next exercise. Exercise. Write this is or these are. We have to write this is and these are in these spaces. The first one was done. The new board. We have a space. The new board. Because we have only one board, that is why we should write this is. We should write this is. Look at the second one. Chairs. Chairs, look at this as. It means that we have more than a chair. That is why we should write these are. These are. Okay. Let's go to the third one. We have a space, then pencils. Look at this as. The noun is plural because we have this as. It means that we have more than one pencil. That is why we have to use these are. So write these are. Now let's go to the fourth one. We have a space, triangles. Triangles. Look at this S. It means that we have more than one triangles. That is why we have to use these are. So write these are. Write these are. The fifth one, Tanjangana, we have a space, a car. A car, look at this article. It means that we have only one car. We have only one car. That is why we have to use this is. This is. Okay? Let's go to the last one. A square. A square. A means that we have only one square. That is why we have to use this is. So write this is in this space. Write this is in this space. Okay guys, are you done? Let's go to another exercise. Now we have this exercise. Look at here. We have to use that and those. This exercise is about that and those. Tick the correct one. Tick the correct one. We have some pictures. We have 4 pictures, and for each picture we have 2 sentences. You should You should tick the correct one. You should tick the correct one. Look at here. That's a poster. Those are a poster. Here we have only one poster. That is why we have to use that. That's a poster. The first one was done. The second one. The second one. Look at here. We have some pegs. Okay. That's pegs. Those are pegs. Look at here. We have some pegs. So we should use those are. So take the second one. Those are pegs. We have more than one pegs. Go to the third one. That's a cupboard. Those are a cupboard. We have only one cupboard. We have only one cupboard. That is why we have to tick the first one. That's the cupboard. Now let's go to the fourth one. Look at here. We have 2 chairs. The first one, that's chairs. The second one, those are chairs. Which one is correct? Of course, the second one, because we have more than one chair. We have 2 chairs. So we should use those are chairs. Take the second one. Okay. Are you done? Let's go to the next exercise. Okay, now look at this exercise. Complete the sentences. Use that or those are. Use that or those are. The first one. A seesaw. A seesaw. This means that we have only one seesaw. That is why we should write that. The first one was done. Let's go to the second one. A slide. A slide. It means that we have only one slide. That is why you should write that. You should write that in this space. Now let's go to the third one. Let's go to the third one. Swings. Swings. Look at this S. It means that this noun is plural. That is why we have to use those are. Those are. Write those are. Now let's go to the fourth one. My friends. My friends. We have this S. It means that we have more than one friend. That is why we have to use those are. Write those are. Okay. Now let's go to the fifth one. Space. Look at here. We have this article. It means that we have only one. So you should write that. You should write that. Okay, here's write these words in your books. Okay? Guys, we have some exercises in your workbook, page number 9. You have to do all the exercises. Okay, dears? Bye-bye. See you.